Okay, so for all your crypto enthusiasts, this is how to find Kaspa cryptocurrency crypto listings.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
The first website, one of the best, highly recommended, it's called coinr.org. And you go to the second tab, which says calendar. And basically you can see that these are all of the current listings that has been listed. If you were to scroll down, it's been listed on Pionex. This was fairly recently. If you scroll down, you can see the last listing was on BitTrue, still fairly recently. Actually, no, this was last year. My bad. And then if you go to the fourth tab where it says exchanges, these are all of the current listings, centralized and decentralized exchanges. I believe that the Kaspa coin crypto is currently listed on. The next website is kaspa.org. I believe this is their main website, and basically we just scroll down. These are more of like events that are just happening all throughout the world, and different ways that you can come together and support the Kaspa cryptocurrency completely for free.